Hello guys, you're welcome back again. So this is a new one. I'll be showing you guys how to make a 2x4 lace closure. So I just made ready my ventilating needle, and this is the hair that I will be making use of to ventilate these hairs. So you all can see this is a short hair. Okay, so I'll be showing you guys just how the lines went downwards, upwards, like horizontal and vertical lines, so you know how to ventilate on these lines, just for you to have a patterned ventilation, and then the lines tallies. Okay, so I'll just secure my lace down with my pins, and then these lines that go downwards will go ahead and ventilate. So you skip a whole line and then you move on to the next line. So what I do is I put my hook through the lace. I pick just 2 strands of hairs because these are the edges. You don't want it to look full. Okay, we are going for a natural look, guys. Once I'm done ventilating this, I'm skipping a hole and I put my hook through the lace. I pick 2 strands of hairs, pass it through the lace, and I hook the hair. So that's it. And you can all see it is a patterned ventilation and it tallies. This is what you want. So you go for it, girl. So thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give it a like and don't forget to follow me and I'll follow back. Thank you.